good, y'all? I look really hood right now, but it is what it is. No, but we just got home. We just went to the mall. Let me show you guys what I bought though. So at Bath and Body Works, I just bought some car air fresheners and a new thing to hold the freshener. I already put this one in the car. It smells so good. It smells like men's cologne. And then I got this one. None of these I have smelled before. I got that one as well as this one. So yeah, that's all I got from Bath and Body Works, but I went to Sephora. Don't let these small bags fool you, okay? Because shit was expensive. But I did get a coupon and I earned like points, whatever. So let me show you guys what I got. So, I have never tried this. I'm super late to the game, but I don't really buy name brand makeup anything. I mean, obviously, honestly, I just stick to drugstore because that never does me wrong, and I don't have to spend hella money for it. But I'm gonna try the all-nighter, long-lasting makeup setting spray. I'm excited to try this. Some people say it smells bad. I don't know. I haven't smelled it yet. I'll let you guys know. Oh, this is something that I've already had, but I lost it. This is Fenty's Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. I love Rihanna's lip glosses. They're so pretty. And then this I've heard a lot of good about. The Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I got a mini of the Radiant Creamy Concealer in Cafe a Latte. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. I'm really not sure. So I'm really excited about this because I've heard so much good stuff about this. And then last but not least, I got a heavy metal glitter eyeliner. And I got it in the shade Diva, right? Oh, Grind, sorry. Diva, did I just make that up? It's good. What's up, y'all? Today, we are going to Ikea. I'm really excited. I did my makeup, super glam today. I used every new product that I got. I even put like glitter in my inner corner. Yeah, I did that. Let me show you guys my outfit. The only shoes I had that matched this outfit, so I guess I'm wearing heels today. If you can't tell, I got tired of wearing sweatpants and jeans all the time. So, I guess I'm wearing heels and a skirt. It should really be illegal for me to look this good because, baby, you see me? Sorry, we're picking up George's mom right now, and then we're gonna be at Ikea. I'm excited. Dude, today's Saturday. I thought it was Sunday. What the hell? I'm all turned around. And we're back. And George is here. Say hi, George.
Hi, George. Disconnect everything.
Like, just from the black thing?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the bed. This is literally everything that was on this tiny desk. And yeah. I don't know why, but anytime I vlog around other people, I forget what I'm gonna say.
It's stupid.
We're building. George, I was watching Sunday Love, but George wants music while we do this, so that's what we're about to do. And I'll show you guys the after. See that? See all that? See all that? Yes, I still have Christmas lights on that. Shh, shh. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Wish me luck. We're in the last step.
Not even. We still got one more.
Yes, I'm wearing Christmas socks.
What's going on, peeps?
Tell them.
Alright, so we finally finished organizing everything. The cables are still looking a little dusty, but I'm getting some, not zip ties, but like Velcro straps so I can like tie up and keep them nice and neat. But yeah, here's the final outcome, or final, what? The final product? Yeah, the final product. Hope you enjoy. We got the Mac with the pad and the PS4 here. Got my two hard drives, R2 hard drives I mean, and then my Elgato stuff. My little lamp with the Chelly brought me. Let me show you how it looks, because you need to see how it looks. I got my little Vegeta. It's over 9,000.
It's over 9,000!
My Scuff controller. Best investment ever. My monitor, my headphones. This is right here for my camera. I'm still not gonna put it up yet, but whenever I start vlogging, streaming is gonna be right here. Our mic back here, which we can pull out. It's easier. Don't worry about it. It looks nasty, but I'll.
Tour. It looks good though.
I got my camera in here. The camera is gonna come out, like I said, later on.
Got some books.
Our bugs, some CDs.
Some little
This is not the final project. I'm gonna get some organizers for that.
yeah, we're gonna get stuff to put in here so that everything will be sectioned out. But
Look a little, but look, you see how much space we got now compared to this little desk. I love this desk. I'm not gonna get rid of it, but it was too small. Now look at her. She can get under there. Get under there. Get under that. Oh, look at her.
hello, this is Celeste's office.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Our little. Look at that. This looks
So
sexy.
I feel like a CEO.
Yeah. It looks perfect. We got a lot more room because like it's.
I'm gonna get.
I'm gonna say
an
what?
ottoman.
No, we don't need an ottoman. It's about what, like twice the size of this.
You know, I got me up here.
Yeah, you know we gotta put the boot thing up there too. Look at her. Her first photo shoot. First but not last.
Shout out to Nana for printing it out for me.
But yeah, look, everything is perfect. I love this desk. Best investment of 2021. First but not last. Alright guys. Say what you need to say.
Peace out, A-Town. Maybe there'll be another clip, but maybe not. This might be the end of the vlog. So
You hurry up, the battery's about to die.
bye guys.